All right, another application of the Pythagorean Theorem. Kind of just a problem-solving problem here. So we're going to look at this fan shape. So what we see here is we have three right triangles. They're kind of built off one another, which means one part of one right triangle is a side of another right triangle, and kind of so on. And what we want to do is the question we're going to ask ourselves is find the perimeter of LMNPQ. So I want to find the perimeter of this composite shape. So the shape made up of those three right triangles. All right. Ultimately, if I want the perimeter, I have this side already, this side already, this side already, and this side already. So what I'm looking for is that final length, P to Q. So my goal, I need to find PQ, side PQ. Now, can I jump right to PQ? Can I just answer that piece? Well, if I want to find PQ, I know one side of that right triangle, but I don't know the other side of that right triangle. So if I was looking at a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I'd be able to fill out one of those legs, right? I'd be able to fill an a with 2, but I'd still be missing a and c. So ultimately, if I need this leg, then I need this triangle, which would mean I would need, so I kind of got to go all the way from the beginning. Where do I have 2 pieces of the 3? And that's in this first triangle, triangle 1. Leg and leg. So let's start there. 3 and 3. So 3 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. This is going to help me find essentially this c here. So that's going to be 9 plus 9 equals c squared. 18 equals c squared. And the square root of 18, we're going to round. So we'll say c is about 4.25. This becomes this new leg, 4.25. And now I have my next triangle. So to find triangle 2, hypotenuse, which is that one we said at the beginning we needed, I would use 4.25 and 2 as my legs. So now I have 4.25 squared plus 2 squared equals my missing c. So now this is my new c that I'm trying to find. So 4.25 squared plus 4, well, 2 squared, which is 4, gives me 22.0625 equals c squared. And then we're going to go ahead and square root that value. Gives me roughly a c value of 4.697697, or we might just round that to 4.7. All right, so this becomes 4.7. Now I have a leg. I have this leg, so I have one more step. So now I do 4.7 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. So 4.7 squared plus 2 squared. It's going to give me a value of 26.09 equals c squared. And now I square root that value. C is about 5.11. All right, so that's my final hypotenuse, or my question mark that I was looking for. And now I have all the sides of my fan shape. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5.11. So 6 plus 4 plus 5.11 gives us 15.11. So in the end, actually right here, we'll say the perimeter of LMNPQ is 15.11. And that's how we can use Pythagorean theorem to kind of problem solve and kind of build out that fan shape.